quite windy, so you may not completely hear what I'm saying, but there's the back of my van. It's not well organised, as I said. If I point to some of these parcels, this one here at the top is my 8th stop, and I've got sort of 9, 10, 11, 12, I think 13 is down there, 15 is down there. I think these might be sort of 14, 15 maybe. So I've got the teens at the back there, quite full. And you can see they're quite big, some of the things there. That one there is a fridge. This is fragile. And then I've had to, at the side of my van, I've got here my 30s, behind it's the 50s, 30s here, and then a couple of odd ones there, and then here in the middle is all my 40s, and behind that 20s. And then finally, I don't like doing this, but I've had to put all my 1 to 10 in the front there. So it's not in order. I know that's 5, 5, 4, 4. That's a 3, look. So that's the number, look. I'll put the 3 there. Right, so let's get on with my next. I've done my first stop. Let's get on with the next one. So on the app, what I need, I press about 3 or 4 buttons each time. So on the app, I've been given a device by the company I'm working with, and then on the app it has all the details. But I've also been given, which is really helpful, a printout of all the stops, so I can see without going in, because the app isn't necessarily that clear sometimes. I can see that my second stop, I see where it is. This reminds me of a route I used to do with my previous life, so I know the area pretty well. I know where I'm going with this next one. It's about a minute away from where I am now. So I don't really need the map for this bit, but I will just put it on. So if I say press the en route, I need to press the maps icon on my device to give me the route from where I am now to my next stop. It just, in this particular case, just goes, it's not proprietary software, it just uses Google Maps. And then I've got a 2-minute journey to my next stop, which I'll then just use this to follow. It's not that accurate, to be fair. It's not like What 3 Words, where it takes you to the exact address. It takes you really to the road and maybe quite close. So it's not, sometimes when you are doing this route and you're new to the job, new to the route, you will struggle to find particular locations. But if you know the area, and you know it's basically residential and businesses all the time, it's usually okay. Particularly this is a city centre route, so it's going to be short stops between each stop, short routes between each stop, and that was a residential address I just went to. I'm going to another residential address now, and there'll be some businesses on the way as well. So I don't expect to be doing many miles at all. I have set the mileage for this morning when I left the house, and so we shall find out how many miles it is. I'm guessing about probably less than 50 miles today, if that, including getting to and from the depot. So coming up to my next stop, I'll leave that video there, and I'll just get on with a few stops. Thank you.